1 minute wisdom, giving yourself permission. What do you need to give yourself permission to do? Maybe it's to say no. Maybe it's to say yes. Maybe it's to say maybe. Perhaps you need to give yourself permission to fall in love again or date, or leave a relationship, or tell a loved one no. Set a boundary with someone. Allow yourself to eat through some of your grief. Dream. Take that painting or creative writing class. Volunteer for a cause you love. Adopt that pet you've been eyeing for the past few weeks. What are you going to give yourself permission to do? On next month's episode, we're talking about a clutter-free summer. Go out, clear your clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.